Sumitomo Corporation versus DCIT, Section 9(1)(I). Income deemed to accrue and arise in India. Business connection, supply of equipments and spare parts to Indian company outside India. No portion of the income from the offshore supply would be taxable in India. The DTA of India, Japan. Held there is no portion of income from supply of equipment and spare parts to Indian company outside India would be taxable in India. SS did not undertake any activity of installation and commissioning of such equipment supplied in India. So, in this case, he is denying the income, and judgment is stating so. What he is denying is the assessee did not undertake any activity. He is not undertaking any activity installing the and commissioning of the equipment supplied in India through him. Sumitomo Corporation Limited from India, Japan, BTA, they are stating so. They are not doing any service regarding installation. So the income accrue arising out of that supply of equipment spare to India is only. So I'll say then held that no portion of income from supply of equipment and spare parts to Indian company outside India would be taxable in India. Because place of supply outside India. Outside India, associate did not undertake any activity of installation. Even though they have a branch in India, they didn't make any activity. But the income accrue are received in Japan through a business connection. So that income can't be said to be their income.